Hi middle school students, here's a video tour of Start Here course overview. If you click on the link, it will open the module and you'll have the opportunity to walk through the course overview. If I go to table of contents, I can see that there are 4 lessons. And you're going to skip lesson 3 if you're working on this at a school because you already have the ZIP program downloaded. In lesson 1, we just talk about basic computer requirements and use and how to move between these pages. Every section has a lesson with a table of contents and window panes that you just use the arrow to go through. Some pages have tabs, which are bars that you click on to get to the sub-information on that page. Sometimes you'll see follow these steps, and when you click on each step, an image will appear here demonstrating what you need to do on your computer. This review is of hardware, software, and software programs. Just make sure you understand that hardware is the physical part of the computer. Software are the non-physical parts. They can't be seen or touched but display things on the screen. And software programs are types of software with a specific purpose. Operating systems allow the physical parts and the software to work together. You might have a Macintosh operating system like OS X. You could have a Linux operating system or Windows. This course was built on Windows XP and references Windows XP screenshots. You may be using Windows XP, Windows 7, or a Macintosh computer, all of which you're able to do the course. The screenshots will just look a little different. It's important to know how to press multiple keys. In the course, sometimes it will tell you to hit Control-Z for undo or Control-V for paste. Using multiple keys allows you to use keyboard shortcuts. One keyboard shortcut is Alt-Tab, which allows you to switch between windows. In Lesson 2, you set up your computer. Please make sure you go through Lesson 2 and read about files, folder views, and changing folder views on your computer. Be sure you know what file name extensions are, and then go through the Show File Name Extensions exercise. This explains how to find files and folders on your computer, and also what the main hard drive is, your C drive. However, for this course, you're going to be storing and saving things in your Documents folder. You're going to make a course folder in Documents called Computer Literacy and your initials, and that's where you're going to download the course resource folder files. Please skip Lesson 3. You already have a zip utility built into your operating system. If you select a folder or several files, you can simply right-click and choose Send to a zip file. In Lesson 4, you'll learn how to download, unzip, and install the course resources, and then review how this course is built. First, you want to download the resources in Firefox. You click on this link to download the course resources. Click on Save File, and then save those resources to your folder that you've created for computer literacy. You unzip the files by right-clicking and extracting the files from the zipped file that you've downloaded. If you're working on a school computer, you can skip Install Software as the software has already been installed on your computer. This explains how the course is divided into sections, which you've already reviewed in your welcome call. Make sure you complete sections, which will run a tutorial similar to this, before doing your study questions, your quiz, and your assignments. Answer your study questions as soon as you've completed the lesson or even while you're completing the lesson. You'll create your study questions in a document file and then upload it by clicking on Upload Study Questions and then navigating to where you've saved the file and submitting it. You'll do a multiple choice quiz and then assignments for each section. Make sure you read through this material, and when you're complete with Lesson 4, you've completed the course overview.